Welcome to Best Choice. The Best RV Water Filter is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any RV enthusiast. Clean, safe drinking water is a must-have on the road, and this filter promises just that. But does it deliver? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Kw1 RV Water Filter, testing its performance, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your next adventure. Number 5. AQUA CREST RV Inline Water Filter 2-Pack. This AQUA CREST filter is NSF certified, a trusted choice for campers. It uses KDF and activated carbon to reduce chlorine, bad taste, and odor, ensuring refreshing water. It doesn't reduce water spots caused by air-dried minerals. The included hose protector allows for 360-degree rotation. The hose features anti-rust copper heads and a silicone gasket to prevent breakage and leaks. This filter provides a flow rate of 0.5 GPM. This filter undergoes rigorous testing, including water pressure and pulse tests, to ensure its durability. It reduces corrosion, turbidity, and harmful substances like heavy metals, guaranteeing safe drinking water. Testing was done by a third-party lab. Installation takes just 5 minutes and requires no tools. The filter is ergonomically designed and easily attaches to standard 3/4 GHT water hoses. You can quickly set it up and start enjoying cleaner water. This durable filter lasts for 3 months, providing clean water throughout the camping season. It's also great for car washing, gardening, and keeping plants alive. The activated carbon is made from natural coconut shells. What we like. This filter is NSF certified, ensuring it meets high-quality standards for your drinking water. It also comes with a premium hose protector, preventing leaks and extending its lifespan. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install filter for your RV, this is a great choice. What people say. The filter is easy to install. The water tastes great. It works perfectly. Number 4. Waterdrop RV Marine Water Filter 2-Pack. This Waterdrop filter is perfect for your RV or marine adventures. It greatly reduces chlorine, bad taste, and odor, ensuring you have fresh water wherever you go. Certified by NSF 42, this filter lasts up to 3 months. It provides clean and crisp drinking water, making your outdoor activities more enjoyable. Utilizing KDF and GAC technology, it efficiently removes contaminants. It delivers cleaner and safer water by reducing chlorine, bad taste, and odor. This versatile filter attaches to any standard hose. It's ideal for camping, gardening, RVs, boats, and more, meeting various needs. Made with food-grade materials, it ensures no contaminants leach back into the water. You can enjoy safe and clean water with confidence. What we like. This filter offers long-lasting filtration, providing clean water for up to 3 months. It utilizes multi-stage filtration to remove impurities and improve taste. If you're looking for a versatile filter for various outdoor activities, this is the one for you. What people say. The filter is easy to install. The water tastes great. It works perfectly. Number 3. GLACIER Fresh RV Marine Water Filter 2-Pack. This filter greatly reduces bad taste, odors, chlorine, and sediment. It's perfect for ensuring you have clean drinking water wherever you go. The filter makes your water taste and smell better. Laboratory tests confirm that it removes 97.9% of chlorine. The 20-micron rating ensures effective filtration. This filter significantly improves the taste and smell of your water. Made with lead-free and BPA-free materials, this filter uses GAC and KDF. It effectively reduces fluoride to protect your teeth, bones, and digestive system. This ensures your water is safe and healthy. Attach it to any standard water hose for safe drinking water. It's great for RVs, boats, pets, gardening, and more. It meets your various needs for clean water. This inline water filter can last an entire camping season, up to 3 months. The large capacity filtration ensures you have clean water for an extended period. It provides reliable and long-lasting use. The food-grade plastic housing is strengthened to prevent bursting. The included flexible hoses reduce strain and minimize kinking. This design ensures the filter's durability and ease of use. What we like. This filter effectively removes chlorine and improves water taste and smell. It uses premium filter materials to protect your health. If you like a filter that can last for an entire camping season, you should consider this one. What people say. The filter is easy to install. The water tastes great. It works as advertised. Number 2. Camco RV Premium Replacement Water Filter Cartridge. This is a premium replacement cartridge for your RV water filter. It's designed to fit the Kw1 RV Water Filter housing, ensuring you have clean water on your travels. The filter uses a 5-micron polypropylene shell to trap particles and contaminants. This helps to ensure the water you use is clean and safe for drinking and other uses. This cartridge is certified lead-free, meeting the highest standards for water safety. It complies with all federal and state lead-free laws, giving you peace of mind. With granulated activated carbon, it reduces bad tastes, odors, and chlorine. This provides cleaner, fresher, and better-tasting water for your RV. The premium KDF material actively reduces bacterial growth. This keeps the filter hygienic even when not in use, ensuring the water stays clean. This filter offers a convenient and cost-effective solution for maintaining your RV's water quality. Typically, it lasts for one camping season. The filter effectively removes particles down to 5 microns. This ensures that the water is free from sediments and other impurities. What we like. This filter cartridge provides advanced 5-micron filtration, removing particles and contaminants. It is also lead-free certified, ensuring safety. If you are looking for a replacement cartridge that delivers cleaner, fresher water, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The filtered water smells and tastes much better because of this filter. They do a great job filtering out any debris and dirt while at the campgrounds. This filter produces great tasting water and eliminates any deposits in our coffee maker and other pots. Number 1. GLACIER Fresh RV Water Filtration System. This is the GLACIER Fresh RV Water Filtration System. It's designed to provide clean and safe drinking water for your RV adventures. This system ensures you have access to quality water wherever you go. It features a 3-stage filtration process. This includes a 0.2 micron filter, a charcoal filter, and a sediment filter. This combination removes impurities and improves the taste of your water. This system is perfect for RVs, campers, and boats. It comes with quick connect fittings for easy setup. You can quickly connect it to city or well water at any campground. It's the ideal water filter for your mobile lifestyle. It's great for RV campers, travel trailers, and boating. It provides clean water for up to 4 months. This system outperforms other RV inline water filters. The 0.2 micron filter effectively reduces particles. It ensures you get the cleanest water possible. It's a compact and lightweight addition to your camping gear. It features a polycarbonate carbon fiber frame and 5-inch filters. It operates in temperatures from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. This filter features 0.2 micron filtration, providing superior water purification. It is designed for RVs and is compact and lightweight. If you are looking for a high-performance, easy-to-use filter for your RV adventures, you should consider this. What people say. I installed the GLACIER Fresh 7 months ago and have been running TI with the original filters with consistently clean and fresh tasting water. The water tastes noticeably cleaner, and we feel better knowing it's filtering out sediment, chlorine, and other stuff you might not want from hookups. Taste is improved and it's so easy to change and maintain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.